any money. Using government property almost 1 century, not even bothering. Had I not become the president, I don't know if we could have recovered such properties. I don't know if we have collected a few million from fraud. And, well, panahon ko bayad. And I had a large part of our campaign was the 40 billion that I imposed on a cigarette manufacturer. An airline not paying taxes, few billions, no collection. Hindi man nila kasalanan yan. But it is the condescending attitude also sa inyo. Kasi kung ayaw talaga ninyong bumayad, noon siguro, but ngayon, sinasabi ko ayaw ko ng corruption. I just fired an undersecretary of the budget sa Malacanang and 2 weeks ago and 2 undersecretaries. We're just using the influence, not money, but using his stature. Yung mga ganon, the first whiff nga sinabi ko, if it's a case of corruption, you can go to my office or you can make an appointment and tell me about it. I will give you that privilege to the ordinary citizen and to the rich people. If you think that you are aggrieved by corruption, I will give you that privilege. May I talk to the mayor? I call myself mayor. That's the way Bebos address me as mayor. Don't address me as president. Kasi ang presidente marami. Presidente ng kumpanya, dito ilan. Mayor, ilan lang kami. So I'd rather stick as mayor. Kasi kung presidente, marami tayo. More than 1,000. So I stick with the mayor. So yan mo lang gusto kong kausapin si Mayor Duterte kasi may isumbong ako. It's that simple. Tapos yan. At huwag kang matakot na he will hold it against you if it is not true. And that is why I said, if you come to me, you come with clean hands. There's a saying in law, it says, he who comes to equity must come with clean hands. And if your complaint is valid, if it's a legit grievance, I will give you that privilege actually. To all the millions of people, basta may corruption, sabihin lang ninyo sa akin. And I will guarantee, huwag kayong matakot. Kasi sasabihin ko talaga yung... And anyway, by the time you go out of the room, he's also on his way out of the office. So what would be your problem? Unless, of course, if he's a violent man, and tell me if you are being threatened, so I can also be violent sometimes. Maniwala man kayo sa extrajudicial killing. Hindi maniwala kayo. We have always handled government You must remember that when I assumed the presidency, I fired 9 generals for contamination sa drugs. I'm not saying that wala akong kasalanan. To a certain extent, when I ordered the police to destroy the organized crime of drugs, because drugs could only be operated as an organized crime. So my orders to the police is destroy the organization. And if there are people in the organization, you destroy the people too. Kung sisirain mo lang yung opisina, yung makutsi nila, what would it bring to us? Look at Davao. You have been to Davao, most of you, almost half of you here. O tingnan mo, di malinis, makalakad ka ng gabi. It's because Ganun talaga. Time and again, because still the issue, sabi niya, I'm repetitive and redundant, but that's the issue of the day. They're trying to picture me as something. Baka totoo. Kasi sinabi ko talaga, just like Marawi, when I was asked, I said, it will not stop until the last terrorist is taken out. O di talagang malinis. Yan ang sinunod. And that was my orders to the police. Now, why are they saying that pinapatay ko ang mga mahirap lang? Ang mga mahirap ang target ng Shabu. Shabu could not survive in Forbes Park. It could not survive in schools as Ateneo, Lasal. Isali mo na lang rin yung akin kasi kanya man Ateneo, ako San Beda. Hindi ba, may mga utak yan eh. So they know that your brain will shrink. At pag nandyan, but it thrives in the poor communities. Kaya magtanong kayo, bakit mahirap lang ang namatay? Kasi ang shabu is the commodity of the poor. Kasi ito baga tayo, well, of course, kasi may doktor ako susunod sa Valium or no. Ito yan sila when they seek solace maybe in the silence of the chemical interaction in their brain. It shrinks the brain. And nasabi nila na bakit ang ano? Because ang cocaine, ang ginagamit ng mga mayaman, cocaine, heroin, or marijuana, hindi nasisira ang utak. I don't know if nandiyan ba sa yung aid ko na, nandiyan sa iyo, this is my aid, si aid ito. Mind you, Annapolis graduate ito ha, Philippine Navy. Tignan mo itong, the incongruity nitong ano. Sa galing ito, United Nations. Ayan, no? The International Narcotic Control Board. Precursors. Chemicals that you need to mix everything. Paki-focus, no. United Nations. Dito, this the cannabis. Yung ini-hit-hit. Then cannabis smoke contains 50% more tar than high-tar cigarettes, which put users at an increased risk of lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. Then you have cocaine. Galing ito ng sa mga loko-loko. Bakit? Tanggal muna yan. Cocaine. Effects. Mixing cocaine with alcohol is a dangerous cocktail that can greatly increase the chances of sudden death. Then dito tayo sa itong United Nations na to. Ecstasy. Pakilapit ng camera, no? Dito kayo lahat. Then yung misquote me again. Ecstasy. Tablets or pills that are sold as ecstasy may contain other potentially dangerous substance which can vary widely in strength and effect. Ito yung sa mga parties. Pangpaano daw ito, pangpa. Baski magregalo ako na isang supot kay Bebot, wala na yan. No, magkaedad lang kami halos. Pero kami, at na yan sila. Tapos, the drug that, heroin. Uses risk overdosing on heroin, which can lead to coma and death. respiratory depression. Sabi ko, pinapatay, hindi sila maniwala. LSD. What is it? Oh, synthetic drugs. So the physical effects are small compared to the psychological and emotional effects. They include dilated pupils, increased heart rate, blood pressure, loss of appetite, sleeplessness, dry mouth, and tremors. Kanina, methamphetamine, shabu. Pakilapit nga ng, basta may iba na naman, baka ilagay mo dito, o Oderex, methamphetamine, use sometimes triggers aggressive, violent, and bizarre behavior among others. Itong mga to, ayaw maniwala, sinasabi ko lumalaban talaga yan. Because sa lahat ng ito ang chemical that will shrink your brain and you go crazy. Talagang lumalaban yan. At maraming namatay. At baski sa aking panahon as mayor for 22 years, almost 600. Ako mismo na doon Talagang tutudasin ka nito. Kagaya yung kay Kian na estudyante. Well, you will know the truth, at least the version of the police, pag mag-umpisa na ang trial. But it will not excuse or justify killing a person whose hands are raised, ready to surrender or kneeling down, because that is really murder. Pero may twist dyan, but you just wait until the... But 3 days after, nag-raid na naman ang pulis kasi may report na naman na bintahan. Pagdating ng pulis, ang unang baba na pulis, he was shot right in the forehead. Akala kasi nila, ang pulis lang ang tigapatay. Look, I have lost 162 policemen in the drug campaign. I have lost almost more than 30% more sundalo. Bakit? Kasi sa Mindanao, ang mga laboratory doon, pag pinasok mo, hindi uubra ang pulis. Ang kaharap mo, basoka pati M16 na machine gun. That is why what precipitated the siege in Marawi. Try to remember. It was that day, fateful day, when the police were trying to serve a warrant of arrest against a Maote brother. Oh, what happened? They were met with gunfire dyan sa bridge na yung, I forgot the name. So they had to call in the soldiers. Ang pumasok, Marines. Oh, ilang namatay kaagad. Yung araw at the start, I lost about 6 policemen and 9 Marines. Kita po gaano katindi ito. And still this unbelieving, sa bagay, pampolitical lang yan. Those who can accept defeat and reality. Para pinipicture akong killer. Talagang killer ako. You know, you drink tang when you are thirsty. Talagang nag-uutos ako. Because I said, when you destroy an organization, you must be silly kung ilimit ko yung... Now, sabi ko, bakit mahirap? Because ang market ng shabu ang mamahirap. Hindi ba... Dito sa ecstasy, ang isang shabu kasi, it's about mga 200 on the average. I don't know ngayon, kasi sabi ko, umalis kayo dyan. Para pakita natin sa kanila. Whether there will be a rise of supply again or not, ay bahala. You go to the United Nations and Human Rights. there will be a rise in crimes against, and I just tell them,